Hi everyone, this is Jonathan, Ryerson Hotel, and today I have something for you guys that you might like to see. I know I only have two Gentex devices and they're both ceiling mounted, and as you could tell, one's red and one's white. What does the CW and the CR actually mean? First up, we're going to start on the left. We have my Gentex GOS 241575CW multi-tone sounder strobe. And over on the right, we have my Gentex Commander 4 GCC24CR multi-tone horn strobe. The CW means ceiling mount in white, and the CR stands for ceiling mount in red. So, and the reason why I have these two devices together, it's because the Gentex Commander 4 does sound like a Gentex SHG, and the GOS has that high pitch trumpet noise that you usually hear on the 800 hertz. So right now I have the Gentex GOS on 8000 hertz continuous horn. That's the standard default horn, and it's on high volume. And I have the Gentex Commander 4 on electromechanical horn on continuous in low volume. There are 5 dip switches on the Gentex Commander 4. It can only do four tones. It can only do electromechanical horn, both code 3 and continuous, and it can only do the electronic tone in code 3 and continuous. That's all 4 tones that it can do. It cannot do slow whoop or the chime or anything like that. It doesn't have any of the options, just like the Gentex Commander 3. So, but the Gentex does have a lot of different tones. It has 8 tones. So, and I have my Firelight BG12L hooked up to these 2 alarms, and I think this is going to be a pretty fun setup. So, I just wanted to make this special video for you guys because I do like Gentex stuff. I do like that too. My favorite is the Gentex GOS right there. So, what do they sound like together? Like the SHG or the GOS? Well, you guys are about to find out. This makes the same sound as the Gentex SHG, like the newer generations that sound like the Commander 3. So, we're gonna sound these off. And right now, I'm wearing hearing protection, so I don't end up blowing my ears out. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna get on with the demonstration. The Gentex GOS versus the Gentex Commander 4. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1. Louder than I thought. That was actually pretty cool. I guess the Gentex GOS kind of beat the Gentex Commander because I think the GOS was the loudest because the Gentex Commander 4 was on low volume and the GOS was on high volume. So it's pretty cool that they both sound pretty cool together, if you ask me. So I do have a lot of fun with this stuff, guys, so, I basically want to have a little more fun with this stuff. Well, the strobe on the GOS is 1575 candela, and I also have the Gentex Commander 4 set for 75 candela. If I can focus my camera on it. There it goes. Yep. And if I want to have a little more fun, let's give it another pull. Push in. Alright, lose focus. Okay. Push in. Pull down. That was so cool, guys. I guarantee you that. And for a future, fire alarm stuff, if you want me to demonstrate all the tones on any of these alarms, please request that in the description below. If you guys want to see me do all the tones on each alarm and coding options as well. But volumes are really not included because sometimes you can't tell between the difference between high volume and low volume. So, and I'm just running the 2 alarms off of 3 batteries. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this fire alarm demonstration, and that will be it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.